Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Only Wordy here. We're about to discuss the unboxing stuff. Here, my very first webcam that I bought here in New Zealand from PB Tech. So this one. We will discuss about the reviews of this product. The model is C922 Pro HD Stream webcam. This is for like if you are game streamer or live streamer. This one is very good. But disclaimer guys, this is not sponsored by Logitech company. I bought this by myself. Binili ko lang ito sa sarili kong ipon, no? Pinag-iponan ko ito para makakuha lang ako ng webcam. Aside from webcam, may camera din ako. Yun, ginagamit yung Sony a6400 and with this GoPro Hero 6 old model, but I'm still using this one. Ito yung ginagamit ko film itong this box during unboxing. So guys, without further ado, let's go my intro first. Let's go! Okay guys, let's unbox this guy, the Logitech C922 Pro HD Stream webcam. This is 1080p 30 frames per second and a full HD video live streaming, and also 720p 60 frames per second, which is higher quality display within 720 pixels. So guys, this is the applicable result for a full HD screen display to see that high image quality. Alright guys, let's do unseal this guy here and check what's inside. This is it guys, my new web camera for my live stream purpose. We'll take a look closer using my GoPro Hero 6. So guys, the unit color is totally black except for the name tag Logi, and I think all units were produced in this type of model Logitech C922 are blacks, and the weight consists of only 162 grams. For the thread of this webcam is a standard size 1/4 inches. The camera cable is 1.8 meters long, a USB type. We will remove the plastic cover later on, and let's proceed the left inside the box. Actually guys, this webcam has a mini tripod included for you to have an option like if you clip it to monitor or using a tripod to place it where you want it to. This type tabletop tripod is swivel mount, extends the legs to 18.5 centimeters. Swivel mounted type that you can adjust an angle shots, and it's easy to use to get a great view during live stream video. Now guys, let's remove this plastic and mount it together with the camera. Let's see how it looks like. This is the main unboxing setup of my new web camera Logitech C922 model with a tabletop tripod. What do you think guys? In additional review for this webcam, you notice here it is clip design and adjustable to hold from your monitor.
And this flat surface is designed for rubber material to grip more onto a monitor. Your main camera can also adjust the position by tilting up and down. Lastly guys, the manuals are included here also with a setup guide. Not only that, Logitech has given an extra special offer that you can download from the internet, which is Xsplit software for 3 months only for you to use. Now guys, let's do the actual footage review for this camera.
Okay guys, this is the actual footage for my new webcam C922 Logitech. Actually, my background is my room, medyo messy, so I just put by blurry. At this time I will show you how I change my blurry background, and I will show you some parameters that you can adjust your settings for your webcam. And this setup, I put some lighting in my right side front and the left side on my view. Do some extra lighting for me to like clear your face that exactly captured to the camera. This is the software that include when you buy this camera guys. I will show you now. Okay, as I mentioned this earlier, you can only use this one for just 3 months only. So this is the original I set up, which is my room background, and I can adjust the background blurry. So we can increase, we can adjust now. We can increase if you want more blurry. So that's the setup guys. So I don't want to focus my background because it's quite messy. So yan lang muna. So we can put it by 20% blurry background. Okay, and then we can try now remove background, and you can see the you can compare. So we can remove the background if you want. So this is the setup, and then we can add footage background from the Xsplit Webcam software that includes. Okay, that's the one. And view mountains, we can clear it, put it clear back para makita nyo guys. Okay, so yan. So you can choose what you want to put in your background. And then I added already my logo, which is a video or MP4 type video that I can put on my background. So you can see this one guys. Okay, so that's my, okay, see, it's automatic looping your video. So yan lang guys, ipapakita ko sa'yo. So this one in the bottom here, if you can add the background, you can click this one and you can choose media file that I select my video, only for the logo. And for YouTube video you can use also, but I never tried yet. And you can edit your background here. There's edit background parameters here that you can adjust brightness, the contrast, the zoom. Let's try the zoom. Yeah, that's for your background. So you can try. Let's do this one on the building. So we can adjust the background brightness, so only the background, and then the contrast you can adjust and the zoom scaling. Okay, I'll show you the webcam settings, not for the background now. The settings for your webcam C922 Pro Stream webcam property. So under video, as you can see, the brightness, you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, okay, saturation, That's it guys for my unboxing and basic review about this webcam with the software included for 3 months that you can avail. Before we end this video, I would like to shout out my friend who is helping me to monetize my channel. Shout out to you, sir, Coco Bonsai Martin. He's a super gamer. You can have a look and check his channel. If you're a gamer, you definitely follow his channel also. And for the team, Fabulous Vintage, my family, mega love shout out to you guys, Team Southmates. And of course guys, I would like to give a shout out my very first support chatters who keep supporting also my channel. Higa Onon Travel, a friend of mine from Philippines, mega love shout out to you, bye. And Asus Nemo TV, the gamer. He's also a player or a gamer here in New Zealand. He's my friend here. By the way guys, if you're new to this channel, Only Worthy, please do consider also to subscribe and follow me. And hit all notifications so you will get update every time I post new videos, especially for this unboxing and review for the products. Guys, don't hesitate by asking questions regarding this video only. Alright guys, see you on my next video. Bye. Peace. See you guys. Bye. Only Worthy. Baka naman may sponsor dyan. See you guys.